A hybrid setup gives customers the ability to take advantage of the benefits of cloud hosting and the resilience of an offline POS. LS Retail uses the hybrid component server to achieve offline device architecture. There are two deployment options for setting up the hybrid model. The first being offline POS database, and the second one is offline POS server database. Let us first talk about the offline POS database. Let me zoom in and describe the diagram for better understanding. At the top, we have the head office in the cloud, which would be our SaaS environment. All back office users will be connecting to this environment. Then we have the hybrid component server in the middle, which consists of tools such as POS Master, Data Director, and Update Services. The master data is pulled from head office in the cloud to HCS using the DD web service. Once the POS master has all the data, it is then pushed to the POSs using data replication. The architecture mentioned till here will be the same for both the hybrid POS deployment options. Now let's discuss about the stores. On the left and right, we have the store 1 and store 2, which has two POSs in each store. The POSs in this deployment option will have their individual databases with all the components installed locally. This is done so that they don't have to rely on any external factors for transacting and serving the customers. This deployment option guarantees optimal POS uptime as it only relies on local resources. Remember, this setup is the most complex and the heaviest in terms of maintenance, as you must install all components on every POS. You are also responsible for keeping all databases up to date on the newest version. Next, let's talk about offline POS server database. Let me zoom this diagram as well. In this option, as I mentioned previously, the SaaS and hybrid component server is still having the same configurations. The store 1 and store 2 on the left and right is having a single database for the two POS machines. All the components are installed in one database. This deployment option requires minimum component installation, and you only need to keep one database per store up to date on the newest version. The POSs are connected to the offline POS server database using the web client.